How to add products to Shopify from AliExpress. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube video. Today we will be making a comprehensive tutorial on how you can get started with adding a product onto your Shopify store from AliExpress. So let's get into it. Now it's rather simple and easy. I'm going to show you the simplest way possible, and that is via a plugin. This plugin is called Deezers and it is available for free, and the product limit for the free account is 3,000 products per account. So I'm pretty sure you're not going to run out of product, and it enables you to connect to over 3 stores at once on one account. So I definitely do think you don't need to upgrade at all to do this simple integration. So starting off, the first thing you want to do is make sure you create your account on AliExpress and Deezers. Just go on ahead, click on register, and you can register with your Google account, Apple account, Facebook, or Twitter. And I'm just going to proceed and log in over here. It's a very simple sign-up process on all 3 of these platforms. So once you have signed into your account, you're going to go into Deezers. You can click on log in. And if you don't have an account already, simply click on create account. You can go back and click on try it for free, and you will just enter an email and a suitable password, and then you will verify your email, and that is all you have to do to complete the sign up process. So once you have logged on to AliExpress and Deezers, we're just going to log in over here. So now I have logged in. Now, once you do that, you want to make sure you're logged onto your Shopify store as well. And there are 2 ways you can do this. You can directly, link your Shopify store from here, or you can go into Shopify. If you found this a little, complicated, just go into Shopify, go into your search bar, click on your apps, and you can search for Deezers, and click on search for Deezers in the Shopify app store. Now, once you do that, you will be able to see this application over here. You're just going to click on that, click on add application. And I'm just going to continue with my account because I had already logged in. It's just asking me if I want to proceed with that Deezers account. So I'm going to proceed. And just like that, our Deezers has been connected to our Shopify store. Now, all you have to do to begin importing products is you're going to go on ahead, choose the product that you like. So let's say we have this dress over here, and whenever you like a product, if you click on it, it will open up the AliExpress listing, and you can see recommended product as well. You also get, similar products by the same supplier, so you can, simplify your process by importing multiple products from the same supplier as well. And let's say I continue on searching and I like something else. You can also choose to, import other things. You also have a Deezers, extension that you can use to simplify your import process. But I'm going to keep on ahead, browse Deezers, and let's say I like this floral print item. So I can just copy this, keyword search that I found on AliExpress, and I'm going to paste it over here on the Deezers AliExpress, and I'm just going to search for it. And you can even do an image search. So you guys can see I have the exact same product, and it's loading up the exact same product. So if you find any product directly on AliExpress, you can just copy the keywords and search it on Deezers, and you're going to find the product. Now, once you have found the product of your choice, you are going to be able to see 2 little icons pop up whenever you hover your mouse over it. So the first thing is your supplier optimizer. This allows you to view all the suppliers providing a similar product at different price points. It's going to basically do a cross-check for you, and it's going to show the ratings, the amount of sales each supplier has, so you can choose the most trustworthy and best supplier. So you guys can see this one has the highest sales number. This guy also has a pretty decent sales number, and the price is comparatively a lot less. The color scheme is slightly different, but I don't mind that. So I am going to scroll down and just analyze, and I'm just going to organize them by the sales number. And you guys can see, I think I'm going to go with this one instead. And he has a 4.6 rating, which is a pretty good one. So once I have this chosen, I can open this up, view it, and they have multiple different colors as well. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to click on add to import list on the right side of my screen. And now once I've added it to my import list, I can customize the listing to how I want. So you're going to click on your listing over here. You're going to click on edit product, and obviously I don't want such a long title. So I'm just going to label it printed maxi dress. That's the name I want to go. Then I have my collections that I've added to my Shopify store that will appear over here. You're going to select whichever collection applies to you. Then you have the type, the tags, any of those things that you've added to your Shopify store will appear over here. Then you can also change the first image that appears. You can click on change image and select any other image that you want. Let's say I want to display this one only. So I'm going to choose this image instead. So I'm just going to click on select. And now this is the product image that is going to appear at the first. Then we have the variants. Obviously, we have multiple different colors and sizes. I want to provide all of these. And then you have the price value, compare price value, and stock to Shopify. Now, after that, we have the description, which you can also customize to make it more realistic. It can help you a lot into making your store seem a lot better, and it can really help you in, making sure that your store doesn't just seem like another, drop shipped store. So you guys can definitely, remove the blocks that you don't need, or just do whatever you want, whatever feels the best. So I'm going to just, edit it out a little. I'm going to cut out some of these sections that we don't need. I'm going to cut this out as well. I'm going to cut this image. I think I'm going to keep the rest. And then we also have the best selling. I can cut this out as well. And I'm just going to move this up a little like so. And you can, add your own specifications, add a more aesthetically pleasing description. Once you've completed that, you're going to go into your shipping info. You can set that up as well. It will give you a estimated price cost. Once you have done that, you're going to click on save. And now you're just going to hover your mouse over the item, click on push to Shopify, and it will apply the automatic pricing rule. You can even customize your own pricing. And now you guys can see my product is being pushed to my Shopify store, and that is how simple and easy it is to add your products from AliExpress onto your Shopify store. So if I go onto my online store over here, and I'm going to go into my catalog or collection, it might take a couple of seconds for the product to appear onto your screen. So don't worry about that. We're just going to wait a couple of seconds. So if you guys go on ahead into your product section on your Shopify store, you guys will be able to see our product is even now present in our Shopify dashboard. I can click on preview and online store, and this is what the product is looking like in our store. So it's simple, easy, and effective. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.